Friends, rewards play an important role in teaching children with special needs. Now, what are rewards? Rewards are something what a child likes, not what a teacher thinks the child likes. Say, for example, if you want the child to finish his homework on his own without telling. So when he finishes his work, it has to be rewarded. So that every time he gets a homework, he does on his own. Say, for example, we like to hug a child. We think it is rewarding for the child, but some children don't like it. So we have to be very careful what is rewarding for the child and what is not rewarding for the child. Now, if you want a particular behavior to reoccur, or if you want a child to perform a particular behavior, it has to be followed by a reward. Okay? Say for example, अगर बच्चे ने होमवर्क कर लिया तो उसको हम रिवॉर्ड देंगे what he likes. So rewards can be of different types. Either you give a primary reward which could be eatable, give a chocolate or a chips, what a child likes, or you give a privilege reward, you make the child monitor or a head girl, even depending upon the child likes. You give social reward, saying shabash, very good, excellent. Or you give a material reward, giving a ball, or you buy him a toy of his choice. And there are token economy also, which are not rewards by themselves, but they can be exchanged for rewards. So ये सब rewards के बारे में कैसे दिया जाएगा, what are the various guidelines to give these rewards, how to choose a reward, and what are the specific rules for giving rewards. इसके लिए मैंने अलग से वीडियोस बनाई हुई हैं on rewards and token economy. For more information, please watch these videos, the link for which is given in the caption. अब friends, ये videos सिर्फ teachers के लिए नहीं है. आधा टाइम तो बच्चे पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हैं. I have given very good tips for the parents also, how they can use these rewards at home also. I will wait for your comments. Thank you.